Question number 3. Triangle ABC, AB is equal to 4 centimeter. AB is equals to 4 centimeter. Angle B is equals to 60 degree. Angle C is equals to 50 degree. This is question. And we have the diagram like this. Now, the question is that what is the value of AB? What is the value of AB in the question? AB, this is AB.
4 centimeter.
This is AB. From here to here, AB. So we will write 4 centimeters here. After that, angle B. What is the angle B? This is angle B. This is angle B. It is 60 degree.
Degree, Mr.
Angle C. Where is angle C? This is angle C.
50,
this is
Mr.
50 degree. So question finish. That's the question and that's the answer.
Mr. Easy.
Now question number 4. Question number 4. In a triangle, angle E is 90 degree. F is 70 degree and EF is equals to 3 centimeters. And the equation and the triangle is given. This is a triangle which is given DEF. Okay, EF, which is EF? This line is EF, right?
Mr. 90 is E and 70 is F.
This angle is 90 degree angle. E, 90 degree.
Mr. Down is 70.
And F, this is F angle, 70 degree. Question number 5. Angle
Mr. Can you go back on second, Mr.? You can see it later. Okay, Mr. Fine.
Angle L is equal to 100, N is equals to 30. NL is equals to 2.5 centimeters. And
Mr.
Yes.
I don't understand the lesson well, Mr.
Okay, look at this. N, L, M. Tell me this NL, where NL? This is NL, right?
Yes.
And this value is given in the question. Did you open the book or no?
Yes, Mr.
This NL is given in the book 2.5. So what should we do? We will write here 2.5 centimeter. This is the value of NL.
Okay.
Now N is 30. Where is the angle? Angle N. This is angle N.
Mr. Side 30.
What is the value of angle N?
Mr.
And what is the angle M? Sorry, L. Angle
Mr.
L.
L is 100.
What you don't understand? You are answering me and
Mr. Easy. How do they not understand it?
Okay, question number 6.
No, Mr. Because I joined late because the internet is so bad with me, Mr.
FG is equal to 3.5 centimeters. GH is equal to 3 centimeters. H angle is equals to 35 degrees. This is question.
Okay.
And we have the diagram like this on the book.
Okay.
F G H. FG is equal to 3.5 centimeter. Where we should write FG? This is FG.
In the middle. In the middle.
Yes. 3.5 in the middle of F and G.
And GH?
GH 3 centimeters.
3 only, not 3.53.
And the angle?
H is 35 and degree.
35 degrees. 35. Now
35.
the most important, listen me, now the most important question starts. Now we need to draw the triangle. In the previous questions, it was given. Now we need to draw the mute your turn off your video, Muhammad Salah. No need.
But
You are
now,
traveling.
Mr. Yes, Mr. Now we do it ourselves. We draw the angle.
Now we will, now I'll tell you how to draw the angle. We want to draw the angle ABC. AB must be 10 centimeters. BC
okay.
must be 8 centimeters. And
8.
angle B must be 60 degree. This is question. We need to draw a triangle. The first thing we will draw a line AB. Take the scale
AB.
and draw the line AB. How many centimeters?
Mr. 10.
10.
10.
AB. 10.
Yes.
10.
This is 10 centimeter line, correct?
Yes.
Yes.
And this A,
8 centimeters.
this B.
B
After
and C
that,
will be
let me complete. Let me complete. This is not necessary to speak all the things. It is not your responsibility. Your responsibility is to listen. If you have any problem, tell me. No need to repeat the things.
Mr. Now B and C
B.
are at C.
Angle
B and
B.
C.
At place B, we will put the angle. Angle B is 60 degree. At B, 60 degree. Where the 60 degree comes?
Mr. In the B area, Mr.
Here. This is 60 degree, correct?
Yes, Mr. 6 degree.
This 60 degree from here to here, 60 degree. The angle is 60 degree. Angle B.
Can you put your number in the chat?
Angle B 60 degree later. This is not important thing now. The important thing what I am speaking. This angle is 60 degree. Muhammad Salah, mute your mic. I muted your mic, but why you open it again?
He has 9.
Now this is 60 degree. This angle is 60 degree. Now we need BC 8 centimeters. 8 centimeters. Open the take the scale and open the compass 8 centimeters. Put the needle on the 0 and needle on the 0 and open the compass 8 centimeters like this. Okay. Now we open the compass. We will take this compass to B because the starting point is B, and we will draw a curve on this line. We will draw a curve on this line like this. This is 8 centimeter. How much we open the compass? 8 centimeter. And after that, we will join where the compass cut. We will join that point to A. This is triangle ABC. This triangle is ABC triangle. And the compass we will open 8 centimeters. This triangle is ABC triangle. AB is equals to 10 centimeters. BC is equals to 8 centimeters. And angle B is equals to 60 degrees. Okay.
Okay.
If you want to check, this is really this how much 8 centimeters or not, we can check like this with the help of scale.
Now, Mr. C. Now in the middle, Mr. of CMB 8 centimeters.
See this 8 centimeters. BC is equals to 8 centimeters.
Mr. Do we erase the line that cuts through C?
No need, no need.
Okay, Mr.
Okay, now question number 8. Question number 8. Very important questions these are. Question number 8. PQ is equal to 6. PQ is equals to 6 centimeters. P angle is equals to 90. Angle Q is equals to 30. This is question. With the help of this, we want to draw a triangle. The first thing, PQ, 6 centimeters. Put the scale and draw 6 centimeters. 6 centimeters. Okay. Now, this is what P, this is Q. On P, 90 degree. Take the compass and draw 90 degree. 90 degree.
This is not compass, this is a protector.
90 degree. This line is 90 degree. After that, at Q must be 30 degree. At Q, 30 degree. 30 degree will come here at this point. 30. Okay.
The Q is 30 degree.
PQ, yes. PQR. PQR. This is 30 degree. P angle 90 degree. And PQ is 6 centimeters. So in this way, we have a triangle PQR. Question number 9. Question number 9. DE is equals to 8 centimeters. Angle D is equals to 50. DF is equals to 6. So now the first thing, we will draw DE, 8 centimeters. How many centimeters?
Mr. 6.
8 centimeters. DE, 8
D and F.
D,
Mr. D.
8 centimeters.
Okay.
D and E 8 centimeters.
Yeah.
Okay, now
DF. DF.
DE, 8 centimeters. Angle D, 50 degree. Angle D, here D, 50 degree. So it is 50 degree. 50 degree comes here. Okay. Now, DF 6 centimeters. DF 6 centimeters. What should we do? We will take a compass and scale. Open DF 6 centimeters. 6 centimeters. So put the needle on 0 and open the compass 6 centimeters. This is 6 centimeters. After that, put the compass on D and make the curve like this. Now remove the compass,
Okay.
take the scale and join this point with E.
Okay.
And join this point with E. So DEF, we have the triangle DEF. DF is equal to 6 centimeters and angle D is equals to 8 degree. Now the last question, question number 10.
Okay.
Question number.
Go back. I have some.
Yes.
Okay.
Mr. I can number 10.
Question number 10, you want to draw?
I can answer.
Okay, answer.
Question number 9. Mr. D to E is a 6 centimeter, Mr. in your screen.
In question number 9, what?
Mr. D to E is Mr. 6 centimeter, Mr. I check. You put Mr. on the screen.
So DF is equals to 6 centimeters.
No, DE. I check.
DE 8 centimeters. What is the problem? Why you are killing that? Why you are killing that? X30, Y 80. X30, Y angle 80 and XY is equals to 10 centimeters. So we should draw the line. How many centimeters?
10.
10 centimeters. Line XY 10 centimeters. Now angle X 30 degree. Angle X 30 degree. On the X we will draw angle 30 degree. 30 degree. Angle X
30 degree.
30 degree.
30 degree. And angle Y?
Angle Y 80 degree.
Mr.
Y 80 degree.
80 degree.
Where 80 degree comes here. Angle Y 80 degrees, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80. Now, angle Y is equals to
Mr. 80 degree.
80 degree. And this triangle name XYZ.
So from where you bring the Z?
It is in the question.
Read question number 10. We need to draw the triangle XYZ. Read question number 10. Triangle XYZ we need to draw. So that definitely if we have X and Y, the third one will be Z.
Okay, thank
Excellent. Mr. Did we finish?
you. Mr. Finish?
Finish.
Mr.